If your printer went number 2 and you got some stuff stuck in the vat and you gotta clean it out, well, if you got 3 Post-it notes, actually, you only need 1. Hopefully you get the joke in there. Then you can get it out with just this. Let me show you how. So first we start with our Post-it notes. Grab one off the top. We're gonna fold it like a paper airplane so that the glue and that we don't have any cut edges in the resin. Put our finger right here and we're gonna push this down onto the FEP. We wanna make sure that we're under the build plate because we wanna make sure we're on the LCD. Go over to the touchscreen and we're gonna start the vat clean. Once the vat clean is done, we're gonna pull it out. That will come up with the cured layer right on it. As I just like to fold it like this, fold it again, kind of make a little ring out of it, and then I just kind of squeeze the resin out. Now you could use a magnet and hang it out like this here to drip if you wanted to, but generally I want to get back to using my printer, so I just want to get it done and over with and get on with my day. Throw this in the bin and then cure the bin with the UV flashlight and you're all good to go. If you like these types of tips and tricks, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.